Hey everyone, welcome back. If you watched a video on Facebook and now you can't find it again, don't worry. Facebook actually keeps a history. Let me walk you through it step by step so you can follow along easily. So first, open the Facebook app on your phone. Once you're on the home screen, tap on the menu icon. That's the three lines in the top corner. Now, scroll down a bit and tap on Settings and Privacy, and then tap on Settings. Give it a second to load. Next, scroll down until you see Your Activity. From here, tap on Activity Log. Once that opens, look for videos you've watched or Video Watch History. Tap on that, and you'll now see a list of all the videos you recently watched on Facebook. From here, you can tap any video to watch it again, or even remove it from your history if you want. Everything is sorted by date, so it's pretty easy to find what you're looking for. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how you find recently watched videos on Facebook. If this helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more simple tech tips, and drop a comment if you want help with anything else.